Good day everyone. Today we will discuss about the forest regeneration and silvicultural system and harvesting method and techniques. So these are the lessons objectives. The first is we are going to define forest regeneration and explain its importance. Distinguish between natural and artificial regeneration with examples. Identify and describe major silvicultural systems. Recognize sustainable harvesting method and techniques. Discuss challenges and propose solutions for forest management. So this is the introduction. So first, the importance of forest regeneration and sustainable management. So forest can provide timber, clean water and oxygen, and also air and the homes of wildlife. Ang importance sa forest is makahatag siya og also for livelihood and habitat sa mga species. And also without regeneration, a forest can become degraded or lost forever. Example, in the Philippines, deforestation from logging and agriculture has reduced forest cover. Dramatically, regeneration help reverse this trend. So, ang regeneration is makatabang siya. For example, is ang place is na nasunugikan. So, through regeneration is na napoy manubo ng mga bago na mga plants and other species. Then, second is the role of silvicultural system. This system guides how forests are managed and regenerate. Then, they ensure both economic use like timber and ecological health like biodiversity. So, ang silvicultural system is mo siya ang pag-manage sa ato ang forest. So, magtanom ta, kung magkuha taog ka ng mga trees, so kinahanglan nato i-tanom og balik para sustainable siya in the future pod napapoy makuha ng mga trees. And also, ma-ensure ang economic and ecological health.